With such tempting seasonal offers, it's no wonder we've had a hectic 6-day week. We couldn't possibly show you each and every installation, but do enjoy the highlights. We begin with this lovely anthracite coloured tile effect. Just of late, not a week goes by without this variant of Compton Building passes over our desks. But this is just one of 2 buildings which have been decked out in this lusty colour grey. The standard PVC fascias were retained whilst the guttering was upgraded with this modern-looking square-line design. Now to Harrow, where this building was almost completely stripped down to its constituent elements and rebuilt with new main door, PVC access door and fixed window. We're fond of this particular access door design with its elegant shiplap pattern. Look how well that fits just under the side flashings too. The next day finds us in Twickenham. The roof's terracotta and the windows we installed are opening. Closer to home, Mr. Rudd in Nottingham owns a Compton Spar Apex. On this occasion, the roof was specified in merlin grey colour, and we probably completed this task in just a couple of hours. We'll end with the weird and wonderful. There's a part of the country abounding with curved-shaped roofs. Yes, you heard it, arched garage roofs. On each occasion, we offer the customer the choice of retaining the original designs or to convert the roof to a more traditional Apex design. This roof received the latter. 5 more reasons to better buy Compton.